Hi friends, welcome to the YouTube channel RK Media. Myself Ramakrishna. In this class of video today, we are going to learn one of the discourses, conversation. Conversation plays a vital role in one's life. As a student, you should have a thorough knowledge over the conversation. After completion of your intermediate, you may need to converse with many people. Conversation makes you a better communication with better people. So that let us start to learn how to converse with the people. So first of all, in this video, so I gave only two topics. The topics are introducing oneself and introducing others. Introducing oneself and introducing others. For example, if you wanted to introduce to somebody, you should introduce yourself. That is nothing but introducing oneself or a self-introduction. So how do we introduce ourselves to the people when we meet? So whereas another thing is introducing others. Introducing others, that means you are the person, you are introducing some other person to some other person. That is introducing others. అంటే ఇక్కడ నిన్ను నువ్వు పరిచయం చేసుకుంటే అది ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ వన్ సెల్ఫ్ లేదా సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్గా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు ఫ్రెండ్స్. అదేవిధంగా నీవు నీ ఫ్రెండ్ని కానీ నీ కొలీగ్ని కానీ మరొక ఫ్రెండ్కి లేదా మరొక కొలీగ్కి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసినట్టయితే అది ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ అదర్ సెల్ఫ్ అవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. రైట్. Okay, so before going to the class, so I request you all to subscribe my channel RK Media and share this video to your friends and relatives, and do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to press the bell icon for my notifications. Thank you. ఇప్పుడైతే క్లాస్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. చూడండి, ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ వన్ సెల్ఫ్, దట్ ఈస్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్. సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అంటే మీరు ఈ కొత్త వారిని ఎవరైనా కలిసినప్పుడు నిన్ను నీవు వారికి ఏ విధంగా పరిచయం చేసుకోవాలి అనేటువంటిది మనం ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్ వన్ సెల్ఫ్గా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, సో దేర్ ఆర్ మెనీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్స్. చాలా విధాలుగా నిన్ను నీవు ఇతరులకు పరిచయం చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద వేస్ టు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్ టు అదర్ పర్సన్స్. రైట్. ఫస్ట్లీ, see, this is a contraction. So I apostrophe D is I would. Okay, Nandi? It is a contraction. See, so the first way to introduce ourselves to somebody is I would like to introduce myself. So this is one way. This is the one way you can introduce yourself to your friends, your relatives and unknown persons when you meet for the first time. Right? I would like to introduce myself. నేను మీకు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసుకోవాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను. దట్ ఇస్ ద వన్ థింగ్. సి, ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఫ్రేజ్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ మై సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ గో ఫర్ వాట్ యువర్ నేమ్ ఈస్. సి, ఐ ఆమ్ సుధీర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఐ టేక్ హియర్ Sudhir is the name of the person that Sudhir is introducing to somebody. Right? I am Sudhir. I am in second year intermediate MPC group and I am from Tirupati. So firstly, after introducing yourself, after the phrase I would like to introduce myself, there you go for saying your name, I am. And what are you after that? After your name, you just mention what are you, whether you are a student or whether you are a teacher or whether you are a lawyer or a doctor. Just you mention your profession after your name. So that is very, very important. See, I am in second year intermediate MPC group. And after mention your profession and what are you, then you go for saying from where you are coming from. Right? See, I am from Tirupati. So this is the one way to introduce yourself to somebody. So firstly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is, or simply I am Sudhir and I am in second year intermediate. I am from Tirupati. This is the simple method. This is a simple way to introduce yourself to somebody. Right? And so this is the, and another way of introducing yourself to somebody is, let me introduce myself. This is another important introduction. See, let me introduce myself. let me introduce myself, and then you go for saying that I am Sudhir, I am in second year intermediate MPC group, and I am from Tirupati. Okay, right. See, first way is I would like to introduce myself and then go on saying what's your name is and what's your profession is and where are you coming from is. That is it. And another way of introducing yourself to somebody is, let me introduce myself. My name is Sudhir and I am in second year MPC group. I am from Tirupati. This is the another way. And next, another way of introducing oneself is, I will introduce myself, I am Sudhir. See, I will introduce myself, I am Sudhir. And see, next go on saying, I am Sudhir, I am in second year intermediate MPC group and I am from Tirupati. So this is it. And next see, hello. So, hello, I am Sudhir. I am in second year intermediate. I am from Tirupati. This is a simple way. Next, hi. Hi, I am Sudhir. Very ordinary way. Hi, I am Sudhir. Okay, I am in second year intermediate MPC group. I am from Tirupati. So this is a very easy way to introduce yourself to somebody. Next, then you say, please call me Sudhir. Please call me Sudhir. Next, you see. So, very ordinary way of introducing yourself to somebody is, my name is Ramesh. I am an engineer and I am from Kakinada. See, my name is Ramesh. Very ordinary introduction to yourself to somebody. See, my name is Ramesh. I am an engineer and I am from Kakinada. So this is way we need to introduce to somebody. So that is nothing but a self-introduction. Self-introduction can be formal or self-introduction can be ordinary. See, this is, I would like to introduce myself is the best way to introduce yourself to somebody. Right. Another way, let me introduce myself and also I'll introduce myself and hello, I am. This is also another way. Next, hi, I am Sudhir and this is also another way of introducing yourself to somebody. Next, please call me Sudhir. My name is Mr. Ramesh. My name is Ramesh. I am an engineer and I am from Kakinada. So this is self-introduction. Here see, we should use the first person. When you are introducing to somebody, you should use the first person, that is nothing but I. So even in the phrase I, and after saying your name and your profession and all these things, you should mention I am. So this is the best way to introduce yourself. And this introduction, this self-introduction is very important when you form a conversation. And when you are in a conversation, when you wanted to converse with the people, this is the best way to introduce oneself, or this is the best way to introduce yourself to somebody. Okay, so this is. And another thing is introducing others. Introducing others. Now, you have a friend and you have also a common friend. So how do you introduce your common friend to somebody, right? So some other person, some other third person. So that here see, I would like to introduce Mr. Ras. Mr. Ras is your friend and you wanted to introduce Mr. Ras to your colleagues or Mr. Ras to your friends. So how do you introduce your friend to somebody? Okay, that is what exactly is introducing others. Okay, right? I would like to introduce Mr. Ras. Who is Mr. Ras? He is our new English faculty from Hyderabad. See, in introducing oneself, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sudhir. I am in second year intermediate MPC group and I am from Tirupati. So when you are introducing yourself to somebody, you should give your details, from where you are coming and what are you. So what is your name? All these things are to be given to somebody. Okay, when you are introducing somebody to somebody, some other person, there you should give some details of the person that whom you wanted to introduce to somebody. Right, here say, I would like to introduce Mr. Raj. You wanted to introduce Mr. Raj to somebody. So that you should give some details about Mr. Raj. What Mr. Raj is, where he is coming from. Right, see. So, Mr. Ras, he is, here see, in introducing oneself, I used the first person I, whereas when you are introducing third person to somebody, you should go for using third person singular. See, he is our new English faculty, and where he is coming from? He is coming from Hyderabad. So these are the details of the person that you wanted to introduce to somebody, right? And another way of introducing, I feel privileged to introduce Mr. Ras. He is our new English faculty and he is from Hyderabad. And another way, see, may I introduce Mr. Ras. He is our new English faculty and he is from Hyderabad. And another way, see, okay, let me introduce Mr. Ras. He is our new English faculty and he is from Hyderabad. See, another way, may I please introduce Mr. Ras. He is our new English faculty and he is from Hyderabad. Next, another one is, see, another way of introducing somebody to some other person. It gives a great pleasure to me. To introduce Mr. Ras. He is our new English faculty and he is from Hyderabad. Another way, this is one way. Another way is, here is Mr. Ras. He is our new English faculty and he is from Hyderabad. Right? And now see, another way, I would like you to meet Mr. Ras. He is our new English faculty and he is from Hyderabad. Right? So next, last one is, hello everybody. So Ravi, meet my cousin. So this is very formal way. So hello everybody. Hi friend, meet my Ravi, meet my cousin. Okay, this is the way how we need to introduce oneself and how we need to introduce others. This is very, very important. So as you are a student, as a student, it is better to communicate with the people. If you wanted to communicate with the people, you need to converse with them first, and you need to talk with them in more polite way. And so for that, what we should need is that we should have a proper introduction to oneself or proper introduction to other self. So this is the class, and this class is very useful for the student of intermediate who are studying second year. So second year, this is for 5 marks. Second year, this is for 5 marks, one of the discourses which is given in intermediate second year. So I hope you like this video, and we have another parts to be discussed under the conversation, and we shall have a class tomorrow. So thank you all of you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel RK Media and share this video to your friends who are studying intermediate and who are preparing, who wanted to speak in English. Please forward to them, and do not forget to press the bell icon. So if you press the bell icon, you will get notification from my side. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much.